Okay, we have a Peugeot 3008 GT line, so it's a lovely colour. We're actually putting the Matrix Blue 3-year protection on it today. It's also having the wheels coated with the same product, so it looks nice and shiny, even though I haven't washed it yet, but I'm sure we can get it to go a lot shinier than what it is. Okay, let's do what we do best. So the Peugeot 3008 GT line is all finished with a 3-year protection coat, which is a Matrix Blue. The body and the wheels have been done, and as you can see, it looks lovely and shiny.